Welcome back to vAliyevs. Today we're diving into the groundbreaking suspension system of the NIO ET9, the first production vehicle to feature ClearMotion's SkyRide fully active hydraulic suspension. This innovation promises a ride so smooth, it's like gliding on a casino table. The SkyRide system was first announced during NIO Day 2023. It uses electro-hydraulic actuators at each wheel that adapt in milliseconds, reducing cabin movement by up to 75%. That's not just marketing. It's precision engineering in action. So what makes the system special? The SkyRide chassis includes steering by wire, active rear-wheel steering, and ClearMotion hydraulic dampers. Combined, they provide independent control at all four wheels, making up to 1,000 torque adjustments every second. To prove its capabilities, NIO ran a now-viral demonstration. They stacked a pyramid of champagne glasses on the hood of the ET9 and drove it over a series of speed bumps. The result? Not a single glass spilled. To replicate the test, we've set up our own version, 9 champagne glasses stacked in a pyramid on the ET9's hood. Then we run the vehicle at 70 kilometers per hour over a washboard-style track. For comparison, we brought in the Mercedes-Maybach S580, a luxury icon known for its airmatic suspension and magic body control. But in this test, the Maybach falters. As it hits the bumps, the glasses begin to topple, showing its limitations in extreme damping scenarios. Now the ET9 takes its turn. With the same obstacle course and speed, it cruises through without spilling a drop. Every glass remains perfectly balanced. This is the power of predictive hydraulic suspension in real time. Critics claim the test wasn't fair, that the bump spacing favored the ET9. NIO responded, confirming that the spacing was identical for both vehicles and inviting independent verification. Challenge accepted. What's under the skin of this revolutionary system? It's ClearMotion One, the core actuator tech ordered by NIO in over 3 million units. It enables real-time road scanning and micro-adjustments faster than you can blink. Paired with sensors and cameras feeding live data to the vehicle's ECU, the ET9 continuously monitors and adapts to every bump and dip, before the driver even feels it. So what does this mean for drivers? It means comfort, control, and consistency like we've never seen before. The NIO ET9 isn't just another EV, it's setting the gold standard for ride quality. Which part of this system impressed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, don't forget to like the video, and subscribe for more deep dives on vAliyevs. Until next time, drive smoothly.